Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I know I've been MIA. We're not going to get into that. Just be glad that I'm here, okay? So today I'm showing you guys this beautiful braided wig from Luvme Hair. This is called their Ready Tress Mix Blonde Lightweight Flexi Fit Invisi Drawstring Cap HD Lace Knotless Boho Curls braided wig with a super natural scalp. Now I have this one in 26 inches. The density is 150%. The cap size is medium, and just so you guys are aware, this is a human hair blended with synthetic. Okay, it's human hair blended with synthetic, just so you are aware. The hairline, however, is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and as I mentioned before, that lace, they are considering it to be HD, and it does look very good, and it better look good because this is a box braid wig, so we really need it to look like scalp. The color, as I mentioned earlier, is brown with blonde highlights, and this is a full lace wig, you guys, so the lace goes all the way around. Now the good thing about this wig is, one, it's styled for you, of course. The lace looks super natural, and they do have the option to pre-cut your lace, so if that's something that you need to have done for you, they can do that for you. So I don't know if you can tell yet, but this is going to be a very quick wig install, just for the simple fact that obviously this wig does come styled. She's a full HD lace. It has the little drawstring there listed as well. So honestly, there's not too much that you have to do. As you guys are watching me put some more foundation on this lace to make sure it matches with my skin tone, please make sure you click that link in my description box and check the wig out for yourself. Also be sure to use my discount code. I always have a discount code with Luvme Hair, you guys, so make sure you utilize it. So I'm going to go ahead and utilize this clear drawstring, Invisi drawstring that they call it, and I'm just going to pull it down, and what this is going to do is tighten the entire wig. Now unfortunately, I had a little bit of an issue as to where the lace lays by my ear. The only way I would have resolved that is if I pulled the lace even more forward on my forehead, and it would have looked like my wig was way too close to my eyebrows. So I kind of had to just leave it as is. And if you're wondering why I'm having that issue, it's just because where the lace stops is right on my sideburns, and I do not like to put product there because I am a natural girly first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and work my way around it. Unfortunately, I wouldn't be able to do like any half up, half downs or anything like that because I don't want that part of the lace to show. That's right by my ears. I need to cover it. So the only way that I would be able to wear this wig outside is just by leaving it down. However, let's focus on all of the positive here. Are you guys looking at that lace? That lace looks really good. They did a really good job. It wasn't irritating at all, which is great. I don't feel like I had to use a ton of product or a ton of foundation to get it to look natural. And now I'm kind of just showing you guys what the rest of that lace looks like. Remember, this is a full lace, so it goes all the way around. In my intro and my outro, I do show you what it looks like if you were to have it all the way up. It literally just looks like you got box braids, sis. So yeah. That was pretty much it, you guys. Very simple, very easy. Luvme Hair, thank you so much. I love me a good box braided wig, especially if it's the boho knotless, you know, with the little curls and all that good stuff. It looks really, really, really pretty. Again, make sure you guys go ahead and check out my description box because the link will be listed there for you guys to use. Get your discount, okay? New year, save money, all right? We all love our wigs. However, we need to save some money. Life is way too expensive nowadays, so make sure you guys utilize that. If there's anything that I did not touch on in this video and you were curious, please make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you next time.